The current conditions of Sunflower County with the education system, the political system, the economic system, how do you plan on supporting jobs here in this area? Because if I was a business owner, you know, looking at what's going on around here, I don't know if I want to transplant my family to this area. So how do you plan on supporting jobs?
Just as I was saying when my time expired, when I was talking about that the war is winding down and that we've been nation building abroad instead of using it in the United States. The United States has spent $1.2 trillion nation building in other countries. So with the troops coming home and the war winding down, the direction that this country is getting is that they're going to start, this country is going to start nation building here in the United States. And so what I am putting together, that's something that I'm working on. I'm not at liberty to talk about everything, but we are putting together a rural development plan that will bring money into this area. The reason I say we have to lead and not follow, most times when you follow, you're going to get what's left over. But if you lead, you're going to get what's coming in front. So this country is getting ready to go into nation building. We are drafting different documents and everything. I have the experience. I have worked on the AFL-CIO legislative board. So I have the experience to do that. So what we're doing now, we're involved in lower level talks. Like I said, I can't say anything yet because this thing is so premature. But we are working on a plan that will bring money into this area, just as when we had the other development plan that expired, the one that brought the Dollar General. So this is what we're working on now, to put something in place like that that will improve our infrastructure, that will give us, that will bring work into building an industrial park, that will build a huge size industrial park, and this kind of thing, that will attract business. Another thing that it's going to take is the board of supervisors, along with the citizens. We've got to put together a package that will attract these companies here. We got to do things as far as taxes and this kind of thing, giving them tax breaks so they will be able to come in. And what that does is, we know all about things that goes on in places like Northeast Mississippi, up around Tupelo and all those areas. The reason they get a lot of business is because they give these companies tax breaks. That's why a lot of business is coming in. But that is my plan, and if you elect me,